Hey guys, Sandra here, and today I want to talk about the power of praying for yourself, or that you have the power to pray for yourself. I think some people don't think they deserve to pray for themselves or deserve the things that they ask God for, but you deserve anything that you want. If your mind can think about it, if you can conceive it, you can receive it. Okay? So praying, you should pray for yourself as much as possible. It's okay to ask other people to pray for you. I mean, sometimes the power of prayer from people who mean well towards you is very strong. But if they don't mean well and you don't know who they are, then you shouldn't be asking them to pray for you because you don't know what they're praying about you. And you might not want those type of vibrations around you. But praying for yourself is better than is more powerful than somebody else praying for you, because you know what you want and you know what to ask God for. So there's a lot of things that you can pray for. You can pray for your health, you can pray for healing, ask God to show you what you can do to heal your illness. If you have an illness or something that you want to get rid of, ask God, how can you heal this, how can you get rid of it, and you will get the answers to it. Ask God, if you want a new job or you want to start a business, ask God, what are my creative, where is my creativity? Where does my creativity lie? Where should I start and being creative and starting this business? What is it that what skills do I have? Show me the skills that I have, right? And show me the people that um bring me in front of the people that will help me to level up in my business and the things that I need to accomplish. And you can pray for wisdom, for the wisdom, for intuition, to be able to hear God's voice and only His voice, and not get it confused with any other voice, and to know that He is the one telling you, giving you the information that you need. And you can pray for having the courage to follow through with those prompts that you're being given. And you can pray for a better outcome, and depending on what the situation is. You can pray for improvement in your body, improvement in your business. You can pray for if you're feeling tired, you can ask God to. You can pray for more energy. What is it that's ask God, what is it that is making you tired or draining your energy, so that you can remove it. There's so many things you could pray for. I mean, you just have to be, I think, more open. I think people don't really understand the power of prayer, and that you have to truly believe that what you're asking for will come true. You have to believe that what you're asking for is possible and that you can have it. If you're just starting a business and you're learning a new skill on how to on what you want to sell, you can pray for being great at your skill or your job. You can pray for your children, of course. I know you know that. Whenever you're feeling discouraged or fearful, you can pray. You can pray Psalms 46:10. Be still and know that I am God. Be still and know that I am God. You can pray for a husband or a wife. You can pray to get rid of your husband or your wife if that's what you want to do. If you're trying to get away from them, you can pray for that too and ask God to help you. I mean, there are so many things you can pray for. I think we're just afraid to ask God because we think we don't deserve these things. But if you don't ask, you won't receive. And ask, it is in the Bible, ask and you shall receive. Okay, but you have to be specific. As they always say, be careful what you wish for, be careful what you pray for, because you will get what you want, but it may not be what you thought it was going to be. So make sure that you're very specific in what it is that you're asking for and praying for, right? And whatever it is, do not think that it's too much for God to do for you, okay? Because He will be happy to do anything for you. In fact, you may be asking for too little, and He may be willing to give you more of what you asked for, or more of what you expected to get, right? So I just wanted to come on here with a short video on praying for yourself, and taking the time out to think about that, because that's a way to talk to God all the time too. We need to talk with Him, have a conversation with Him every day. Make sure that you talk with Him every day, have a conversation, include Him in anything and everything in your life. That's what it is, basically. Just include Him in everything you do. Before you make a decision, include Him. Ask Him to guide you in the right direction. And and listen, and be on the lookout for answers from Him, because they're going to come in different ways. They may come through another person. It may come from the television. It may come from a commercial, the radio, a billboard. It could come in any type of form, so just be open and ready to receive it. It may come as an intuition in your mind and a thought, and that's why you need to be more focused on your thoughts, and know if it's a thought from God or if it's a thought from just a random thought, right? So that's all I wanted to say for today. I want to thank you for watching. Have a good day, and I will leave. If you're interested in, if you're interested in making money at home, I will leave some things down below that I am doing, and that maybe you would like to do to make money at home, because a lot of people are starting to work from home, and I think that's the best thing to do. Even if you don't work from home, at least have more than one income. Okay, and so I have some things below that you can look at, and feel free to take a look, and I will talk to you in the next video. And remember, you must hustle. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell, so that you can be notified when I am uploading a new video. Thank you, and have a good day.